How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if the WhatsApp call or incoming call is not showing on your screen. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to head over to your phone settings. So go to your settings, tap on apps, then tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right, then search for WhatsApp and head over to WhatsApp. Scroll down, tap on notifications. Make sure that all of these notifications, especially the call notifications and pop-up notifications, are enabled or turned on here. If it is turned off, make sure to turn it on. Now once you're done with that, again head over to settings. And once you are under the settings page, again head over to apps, scroll down, and here you have to go to special app access, then tap on display over other application. So once you're here, search for WhatsApp, and if it is not allowed, make sure to turn on this option as well. This will allow WhatsApp to show incoming calls on the top of other application. So here, if you can find WhatsApp, make sure to turn it on or allow the permissions. So once you're done with that, and if still it does not help you, then head over to WhatsApp now. Open it up in your device. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right, head over to settings, and now head over to notifications. Make sure this toggle that says high priority notifications is turned on. And if this still does not help you, you have to make sure that the do not disturb is turned off in your device. If it is turned on, then it can block all of the notifications. So swipe down your quick settings or notifications bar, and if this do not disturb mode is turned on, make sure to disable it as well. And if that still does not help you, give your device a simple restart, which will also fix some hidden glitches. So you could also try that. And if still not, then head over to WhatsApp, tap and hold on it, head over to app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Once you do that, you have to close this completely, then reopen your WhatsApp application and check if that works or not. And that's it. So these tips will help you fix your problem and bring your WhatsApp call back to the screen. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.